Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can monetize your own Discord server with your own custom subscriptions and or memberships with Subscord. And this video will be a complete guide on setting up the Discord bot, as well as setting up memberships and or subscriptions for your Discord server, so you can start selling your own Discord roles and create your own plans to sell to your Discord members. Now, Discord does already have a built-in monetization system in your server settings. Now, Discord's monetization doesn't actually support everywhere or every location in the world, but Subscord does, as well as Discord actually takes a small share of your revenue, but Subscord does not, as it's direct payment into your crypto or whatever wallet you're using and straight into your account. So this is why it is a lot better to use an app like Subscord in order to set up your own subscriptions and plans and other types of memberships, as it's just generally you'll make more money and you can manage it a lot better than using Discord's built-in one. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the website. It'll be subscord.com. I will have this linked in the description below so you could follow along, as well as it'll be also in the comment section below, so you could click on the link and get started. So the first thing we're going to actually do here is click on the login with Discord option. It'll automatically bring you to the OAuth page here. Now, you're going to want to be logged in to your Discord account on the browser, as it generally makes your signing in process a lot quicker and a lot faster. So we're just going to authorize that for your Discord account, and then you'll be logged in, and then you'll choose the server that you'd like to edit in. For this video, I will choose my tutorials server, and we will go into that. Then we'll just invite the bot. We'll choose the permissions that the bot will have in our server, but typically you'll just leave these all on and click authorize. After clicking authorize, you will verify yourself and the bot will be added into your server. Now we can see that the bot is now added in the Discord server, so let's just quickly give it the bot's role as always, and now it is an official bot. Now quickly we're going to go into the server settings here, and then into the roles section. We're going to scroll to the bottom and click on Subscord and quickly drag it above all the other roles, just in case it needs to edit any of the roles below it, which it probably will. So once we do that, we'll go back to the dashboard here. Now we can see on the main page of the dashboard here, we get an overview of all the different statistics for this bot. We could see our 30-day revenue here. We could see how many active subscriptions are active from our Discord server. We could see how many different customers we have, how many sales we have done in total, and we could also see the customer churn rate in the last 30 days. And we could also see a giant list of transactions if there is any transactions such as customers purchasing a plan or purchasing a product from your store. Now you're probably wondering how we could set up a good premium system to sell to the user. And simply all we're going to do is go back to our Discord server here. We're going to go into our server settings. We're going to go into your roles section, and we're going to create a role. Now essentially you're just going to think of this role as the role that you're going to be selling. This is going to be the role that will give you access to whatever you are selling. Maybe you're selling a premium in your server, and then it'll give you access to special channels or special perks. So in this case, we'll just call this role premium, and we're going to put a nice little star on the side of it, and we'll actually put one right in front as well. And this will be like the premium role for the server, and we're going to make it a nice bright yellow, as that's sort of like a gold color. We're going to save the changes, display members separately from online, and we're going to drag it all the way up to the top, not above staff, but just below staff here. And we'll click Save Changes, and we'll just get out of here, and we're going to basically create a channel for the premium members. So we're going to go under the main channels here, and we're actually going to, we're going to go right above the main channels here. We're going to create a category, and we're going to call it premium channels. We're going to call it premium channels here, and we will create the category. Now we're going to drag the category all the way above the main channels category, just to make it, stand out from the rest. And we're going to quickly go and create a channel, and we're going to call this the premium announcements channel. And then we're going to go and edit the channel here. We're going to go into the permissions here. We're going to go under @everyone and make it so they cannot view the channel or basically do anything in it, as well as we will disable read message history and manage messages. So we'll save those changes. Then we'll simply add the role, the premium role that we just created here, and we will also add Subscord just cause. Okay, we'll add the premium role. We'll turn on view channel. We will turn on read message history, and that should be it. And just in case, we'll also do that for Subscord in case it needs access as well. There we go. So now only members with the premium role can actually view this channel and view this category. Actually, I think we have to edit the category permissions. Yeah, so we have to edit the category permissions as well. So let's just do that. So we'll just hide it from at everyone, and then just show it to Subscord and the premium role. So we'll just do this, read message history, Subscord as well, and read message history, save changes, and there we go. So now we have 2 hidden channels that only the premium role can see. So now we can see that there's 3 options here that we could actually set up. There's subscriptions, products, and store. Simply put, subscriptions are, well, they're subscriptions. They're things you have to annually pay for in order to keep your subscription, whatever that means. Then products is basically a one-time sell sort of thing. So you just simply buy the product that you're selling. And then store is basically setting up your own store page with multiple different things on it. So we're going to simply go into the products tab here, and you'll be prompted with an option to set up a payment method. So it says before creating a product, you'll need to configure a payment method to receive payments from your customers. So of course, you need to receive your payments in some way, and simply you will have to set that up before you set up any products. So we'll click on the configure option, and now we can see that there's 2 different options here. There is crypto payments and there is Stripe payments. So crypto payments is of course through cryptocurrencies, and Stripe, this is basically used for if you're using credit or debit cards. So it depends if you want to get cryptocurrency or if you want to get just straight up money into your bank account or credit card account. So in this case, we're just going to do the add wallet for crypto. But if you want to set up a Stripe, if you have a Stripe account, then you could just set it up here, but I don't have one, so I can't set one up. But I will set up a crypto payment section. So you'll just click on add wallet here, and then you'll just select your currency here. Now, this is basically just the cryptocurrency that you want to receive, whether that be BTC or Bitcoin, LTC for Litecoin, or ETH for Ethereum, depending which one you want to use. Now, of course, there's hundreds of different currencies here, but basically just most people would probably use Bitcoin or Litecoin or Ethereum just because that's the most common currencies for crypto payments. And then you'll simply paste your address here. So whatever crypto app you use, you can always get your payment address. And there we go. So once you add your payout address, then it'll be all saved and you can actually receive payments through crypto. So now we're going to go back to the products page here, and now your payment method is set up. And now we're just going to click on add product in the top right. Then you could of course add a description. So this could be whatever you'd like. Typically you can make it a little fancy, maybe we'll add some lines, which say premium membership. Then you'll just upload an image here. There we go. Then you have to choose the name of this plan. So for an example, it says monthly plan here, and it says you could choose the duration and the price and whether it is a reoccurring payment or not, or if it's, a free trial, or if it's, currently active and you could actually buy it still. So now we're going to actually create this into a subscription. So we're simply going to create this into a 30-day subscription. We will call it a monthly plan, and we'll make the price $10 USD, and it will be a recurring payment. So it will be a subscription, and that'll be simply it. Of course, you could always add more options here in terms of, different price points, and different duration stuff. So maybe you have a yearly plan here, so we could add a yearly plan, and it will be for 365 days, and the price will be, well, $110. Maybe you get a $10 discount, and it will be reoccurring and active. So now we have a monthly plan and a yearly plan. Now we could choose the roles that will be given. So we will just choose the premium role, which is all the way at the bottom here. There we go. Then there'll be a purchase limit. If you'd like to have a purchase limit, we'll keep it active, of course, and we'll click on add product. And once you add the product to your products tab, then users can purchase that product. And now we could set up the store to create a, your custom store page with Subscord. So you're simply going to create your own store name here. So I'll just call this Exceeds Store. Then you could create your own custom store link if you have the Pro option. If not, then you'll just use the URL that they provide here. So you can always copy this URL in order to use their own URL that you have for your store. You can create a store description. So this is my store for Exceed production. And then after you're done all that, you'll just simply click Save Changes on the bottom to save your store's changes. And then when you go to your store, you can see the products that you have available, and we can see our premium membership product here, and we can see the monthly plan and the yearly plan. And if you actually click on subscribe here, you can actually choose the plan just like you're purchasing anything else, and you can see the role that it comes with, and you could choose your payment method, which will be crypto, unless obviously you chose Stripe. And then you'll choose the LTC that you're paying with, and you'll basically just click on pay, and they'll follow the prompts, and you will get the crypto straight into your account, while the user that purchased it will get the Discord role added to their account in your Discord server. And one last thing I just wanted to mention is for your products, you could always go into the edit button to always edit your products afterwards, to edit the image, the description, the name, or the actual prices themselves whenever you'd like. So now that we have that set up, we can now go into the discounts tab, and I'll show you how to create your own discount code. So all we're going to do is just click on add discount in the top right here. Then you'll choose the name for your code. For this one, I will just call it Exceed Secret for the code. You'll choose the percentage off that will be applied as a discount. This will be a 30% discount code here. You could choose a use limit. So let's say this will be a code that could only be used 20 times. So basically the first 20 people to use this code will get 30% off. You could choose any minimum or maximum spending that you'd like. You could choose specific members or specific roles that have access to this discount code, and you can also choose the actual product that this code can be applied to. So we could choose our premium membership here, and we could also choose a date that you'd like this code to go for and when it will expire. You could choose the certain payment methods, so we'll choose crypto only as we chose that as what we receive, and we'll just click on add. Then we can see that the discount code is created. We can see all the different discount codes that you've created in total, and we can see how many uses they have been used and whether it's active or not. And this is why Subscord is so good, is because you could actually go through all your statistics here very simply. You could edit your products, your discount codes, your subscriptions, and all of that very easily, and you could read them and you can see exactly what's going on. You won't have to be confused with anything, even if you have multiple things going on, because everything is organized into these nice little tabs here, and it's very easy to create, delete, or edit any product that you create or discount or anything else that you actually sell. Now lastly, before I end this video, I want to quickly show you the pricing plans for the Subscord app. I just want to mention that there is a free version, so you can have this for completely free and still make money from it. The only catch is you can only have up to 10 subscribers. So if you don't think you're going to actually get a ton of, monthly or yearly subscribers through your Discord server, then it's good to just have the free option. But of course, if you think you're going to grow very large and you want a lot of people subscribing to you and paying you, then you'd of course paying the pro or max fee is simply nothing, especially if you're gaining $30 a month per person 50 times. Then well, $30 a month for the pro version is it doesn't really matter, because you're going to make that back anyways by selling your products. But anyways, those guys, that is how you set up the Subscord bot for your Discord server, and that is how you set up your own products to actually sell on your Discord server, your own custom subscriptions, and how you can get simply paid with that with no shared revenue or anything like that, like Discord has in their built-in system. So anyways, I will see you guys in the next Discord tutorial. Please check out Subscord. It will be linked in the description below as well as in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are interested in more Discord content. And I will see you guys in the next Discord tutorial. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.